Hello there guys, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing on my new keyboard. And I've also got these lovely keycaps, which you'll see in a minute, to go on top, but I'm going to unbox it. So let's just slide this off. Too little. I'm going to show you before I show myself. Show you before I show myself. You ready? Start opening. Oh, that looks nice. Oh, that sounds nice. So this is the little wire, I'm guessing. It comes with. Oh, it's a lovely white wire. And this is the keyboard itself. It's a mechanical keyboard. It's got cherry switches. Oh, I like the sound of that. So that's a keyboard. It's got nice little kick out feet. Oh, I can't get them out. Should come with a keycap. Pull it, it looks like. Just check if there's anything else in the box. Nope, that's everything out of the box. Comes out nice. Let me try and get the feet to kick out. Okay, there's one foot. There's the other. That sounds very nice. I'm going to show you my new keycaps now. So it's going to go with my keyboard. Please ignore the messy desk, but this is the keyboard. And these are the new keycaps that are going on, but I want to see what this looks like lit up first, so let me turn on my PC. My lights are now on, turn the PC on. And see what this looks like. It looks like all lit up. I can't wait to see what it looks like with them keycaps. That looks very cool. Very cool indeed. Pull the keys off, and these are all the new ones. Don't know if I like these more or not. I'll have to see. Use all the spare ones of that. I'm going to put these away somewhere safe, so if I don't like it, I can just put it somewhere else. So this will be my unboxing on this. It looks very good on the top. This will be my unboxing on my new keyboard, my new keycaps. If anyone's got any keycaps recommendations, please tell me. Thank you. It's been about a week since I've had this keyboard now, and I thought I'd give you a bit more detailed answers of what it is. So I just said they were cherry. They're cherry reds. They are very good to use. I was struggling for the first couple of days, but I also noticed when I was watching my editing back that these sound so much quieter than the original ones. Like, they sound so much quieter, but they're still very good. It's a better thing to be quieter. So I've had it for about 2 weeks now. I'm using it, I still have this one here for schoolwork and that, but I find I'm using this one for schoolwork and then use this one for buttons I don't have. And also I found out that some of the keys don't line up, like the one there, that's at, like if I click shift, like if I click that, shift that, it came up with at instead of the 2 dots. So I sort of have to use this one to see like which button's meant to be what. But all in all, I have no complaints about it. It's very good, it's high quality, I'm very happy with it. But if you have any more questions, please put them in the description and I'll make sure to answer them. But they are very good. It is very good, I'm enjoying it. I feel like I'm gaming a lot better and just typing better. But thank you for watching. Subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.